टुडे इज अ स्पेशल डे क्योंकि आज मेरा जो 1 महीना पूरा हो चुका है। 7:15 बज रहे हैं और अभी भी सूरज का कोई नामो निशान नहीं।
तुमको थोड़ा शौक लगेगा बिकॉज इधर दारू कोका कोला से सस्ती मिलती है।
बट यू मे स्ट्रगल टू मेक फ्रेंड्स इनिशियली। व्हाट इज अप एवरीवन, क्या हाल चाल। मैं बस क्लास के लिए निकलने वाला हूँ। बट टुडे इज अ स्पेशल डे क्योंकि आज मेरा जो 1 महीना पूरा हो चुका है। तो आई विल बी टेलिंग यू अबाउट दैट। स्टे ट्यून्ड। 7:15 बज रहे हैं और अभी भी सूरज का कोई नामो निशान नहीं। वेरी डल यूरोपियन वेदर। मीट वरिंदर। वरिंदर से हेलो। हम लोग क्लास की तरफ जा रहे हैं। सो बेसिकली फर्स्ट मंथ में सबसे बड़ी दिक्कत जो स्टूडेंट्स फेस करते हैं वो है अकोमोडेशन। एंड वरिंदर वुड एग्री ऑन दैट, है कि नहीं? क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट हाउसिंग का कोई सीन ही नहीं है। इंडिया में हॉस्टल्स होते हैं सारे, मतलब सारे कॉलेजेस में, या फिर तुमको शहर में पीजी मिल जाएंगे भाई। यहाँ यू हैव टू फाइंड योर ओन अकोमोडेशन एंड दैट टू टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम। प्लस यू डोंट हैव कॉन्टैक्ट्स इनिशियली, तो you would need to do a lot of digging 1 month or 2 months before you come here. And उसके बाद the second biggest problem is city registration. Without that nothing happens here. तुमको पहले city registration कराना पड़ेगा and then उसके बाद बैंक अकाउंट and then तुम कुछ कर पाओगे. So yeah, that's one of the big problems. But अभी हम लोग को फटाफट ट्रैम पकड़नी है. So next thing I'll tell you when I reach the campus. हेलो एवरीवन। कल मैं वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा था बट कल मैं पूरी वीडियो रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर पाई क्योंकि मेरी थोड़ी तबीयत ख़राब हो गई थी। यू कैन प्रोबेबली नोटिस फ्रॉम माय वॉइस। सेकंड बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम इज़ द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ ब्लॉक्ड अकाउंट। तुम्हारा ब्लॉक्ड अकाउंट बन भी जाएगा बट टू गेट इट एक्टिवेटेड इट मे टेक अप टू 1 मंथ। क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है मेरा भी ब्लॉक्ड अकाउंट एक्टिवेट हुआ नहीं है। मेरे को 1 महीना होने जा रहा है यहाँ पे आए हुए। मेरा सिटी रजिस्ट्रेशन हो गया है। आई एम वेटिंग फॉर माई टैक्स आई डी टू कम, और फिर टैक्स आई डी के बाद बैंक अकाउंट बनने में एटलीस्ट 2 दिन लग सकते हैं, और फिर उसके बाद मेरा ब्लॉक्ड अकाउंट एक्टिवेट होगा एंड देन उसके बाद हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस। तो ये सारे पेपर वर्क में इट मे टेक अप टू 1 मंथ 1.5 मंथ, डिपेंड्स ऑन योर सिटी। इफ योर सिटी रजिस्ट्रेशन हैपन्स अर्लियर देन तुम्हारा ये काम जल्दी हो जाएगा। बट आई वुड सजेस्ट टू कीप एटलीस्ट 2 months ऑफ कैश ऑलरेडी विद यू, 1 month in cash to pay rent and stuff, and at least 1 month expense extra in your forex card, so that you don't face any problem if you have any emergencies when you come here. Okay, since मेरी ट्रैम को आने में अभी 8 मिनट और हैं, तो I thought one more section. One more problem that you may face, in fact I am facing, but I don't know about you. If you are a very social person तो तुमको शायद ना हो, but you may struggle to make friends initially because a lot of people come here from different backgrounds, different cultures, different countries. So you may first of all face a problem with language. Like a lot of people here are from Turkey, they are from Kazakhstan, they are from everywhere in Europe and also from Southern and Northern America. So they have different cultures and you might find a little difficult to relate with them. It would be easy if you start with making friends who are from same country as yours. Like मेरे 2 इंडियन दोस्त हैं ऑलरेडी विच आर रियली गुड फ्रेंड्स, बट उसके अलावा आई डोंट टॉक टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हेयर. बट स्टिल इफ़ यू लाइक मेक फ्रेंड्स विद पीपल हु आर फ्रॉम योर कल्चर इट वुड बी ईजी टू कोप अप. हेलो प्रभास, से हेलो. दिस इज़ प्रभास, मेरा दोस्त जिसके बारे में तुमको बता रहा था. ही इज़ फ्रॉम एमिरेट्स एंड हम लोग यहाँ पे अभी मेंसा आए हैं टू गेट अ पिज़्ज़ा. एंड द पिज़्ज़ा लुक्स गुड. ओनली फॉर 4 euros वी गेट दिस बिग ऑफ अ पिज़्ज़ा.
ओके, सो राइट नाउ हम लोग श्लॉस पे हैं, कार्लसरूहे श्लॉस, एंड सिंस क्रिसमस इज गेटिंग क्लोज आई विल ट्राई टू शो यू. वी आर the decorations for Christmas are going on right now, and I think you can probably see the Ferris wheel. There's some construction going on right now here at the Schloss, but doesn't the Schloss look beautiful? Anyways, continuing upon the problems that you would face here, the last thing that I would like to tell you is in Germany here you would face a lot of bureaucracy, like a lot. you need to have proper tickets, you need to book a termine, an appointment for everything, and if you are even 1 minute late, they'll cancel your appointment and you need to book a new one. And also for the accommodation thing, if you want to have your city registration done, you have to do it under 14 days, or you can get fined for that as well. So sorry. So yeah, that's a bureaucracy, and you need to, and everything is paper based, bro. You have to book an appointment online, but everything official gets done in paper. So you have to have a proper registered address for everything to happen, and then they will mail you everything, and every bureaucratic paperwork, it takes almost 1 week to get done. So yeah, it's a little rough here, and you have to be very punctual with the timeline, with the appointments and the timings. So even if you get late by even a minute or so, you have to book a new one and do the process again. So yeah. So yeah, please take care of that when you come here. Tell me, what have you liked about Germany so far?
Nothing.
Nothing? Nothing at all? Like something?
Yeah. Everything. I mean, the uni is pretty cool.
Yeah, uni is cool.
Obviously.
It's like the sixth
The
rank.
lectures are fun. Obviously.
Literally, lectures are fun. Mr. Langhoff,
Okay.
Mr. Langhoff, if you are watching this,
Yeah,
even though you are not, please take care of.
Like, obviously, the infrastructure is pretty good
Yeah.
compared to like the universities I've seen in India, since most of your viewers are Indian.
Yeah,
Obviously, you must be knowing this as well compared
Yeah,
to the
yeah.
universities you've been in.
yeah.
And the Mensa, the cafeteria, everything's pretty much catered to the students.
Yeah. The prices are very like affordable.
Affordable, they're good enough for students to,
Yeah,
if they want to, they can eat all their 3 meals here.
yeah. I mean, all the 3 meals would be a little too much, but if like for one meal, you can get very good deals. For
Yeah,
example,
I mean,
the
but-
pizza that we were eating today, that pizza was 4 euros, and you could split between two friends. For 2 euros, you would be full.
I mean, I'm saying if they can't cook,
Yeah, I mean, if you cannot cook, I mean, cooking is the best option
yeah,
here.
pretty much. But like, it's not too bad of a price.
Yeah, and also the uni support systems. The uni support systems are good. They have office for like everything. So if you have problem with lectures, you could ask you could ask the faculty. If you have problem with accommodation, they have an organization named the Studierenden work. They help you with accommodation as well. Even if they do not have rooms in their dorms, they will have like contacts to the private accommodation, so you can find it there. And similarly, if you're struggling with everything like managing your like timetable and all of the classes, all of that, they also have an like my university also has a student association called ASTA, and they help you with all of that. And it's the case with almost all of the universities here, where you get a lot of support systems. So yeah, support systems here are really nice, and people here, they are also very helpful. When you come here for the first time, people will realize that you are here for the first time, and they will help you as much as they can. So yeah, that's nice. हम लोग अब जा रहे हैं towards the copy shop. प्रभास को चाहिए किसी चीज़ का print out. But yeah, I'll let you see the area. We have that green building over there. That's the main faculty building for Maschinenbau. And we have the do you see the communist looking building in the background? Yeah, that's the library. So yeah, yeah, the next problem that you would probably face is culture shock. If you come from a very orthodox family in India, तुमको थोड़ा शॉक लगेगा, बिकॉज इधर दारू कोका कोला से सस्ती मिलती है. इनफैक्ट द फर्स्ट डे जब मैंने लैंड करा था, to get a change, I thought I would get a bottle of Coke, and it was 4 euros for 400 ml. Can you believe that? And in the supermarket, you would find a bottle of Coke for about 3, and for the same price, you could get 3 beer bottles. Literally. And also, you would get a recycle refund, the fund that they call here. So, yeah, alcohol is pretty common here, and also every kind of meat. So, if you do not like to eat pork, beef, all of that, in fact, if you are not allowed to eat because of religious reasons, then you should be aware of what you are eating, and you should pay special attention to it. Just ask the shopkeepers to give you only chicken, then you would be good. And if you are vegetarian, तुमको थोड़ा hard time होगा इधर, तुमको थोड़ी दिक्कतें होंगी, but you can find your own solutions. I don't have any problem like that because I am allowed to eat whatever. But yeah, that's one problem.
Ooh. Finally, after such a long day and इतने सारे takes के बाद, I'm back home. I hope you found the video helpful and you found out some new facts. So then, I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep working, bruv. Keep working.